Good evening everyone, welcome to the session. Today I'm here to discuss your top 20 PYQs of the chapter Vector Algebra. You'll see how fun it is to solve the questions from here, how easy the problems are once I start giving you the tricks and again the concepts of each and every question. Okay, so I hope you are all ready for this particular session. Important and easy chapter of your KCET examination, Vector Algebra will be discussed, the top 20 questions. So if you're ready, give me a thumbs up in the comment section right now, in the live chat right now. Okay, I have a couple of surprises for all of you today, which I'll tell you once the session starts. Okay, and I want to know from all of you, how was your integration trick video? Did you enjoy it? Did you learn from it? Okay, and what do you think, how many questions you can solve from the integration chapter once you start solving and applying those tricks in the examination? Okay, so again, who are joining late, good evening to all of you. Welcome to this beautiful session where we're going to talk about your vector algebra in detail with all the questions as well. Okay, as I said, PYQs. Okay, so as I can see, yes, good evening sirs. Sanika is here. Good evening Sanika. Asha is here. Good evening. Did class start? No, we are starting right now. Alan is here. Good evening Alan. Hello. Okay, so did you like that? Tell me this, did you like that particular integration short trick session? Okay, if you like it, do apply them. I'm telling you, they're very helpful. I had to work a lot to get those, because what happens now, there are numerous tricks in mathematics, but only for KCET is difficult to get and use as well. So that's why this session becomes very important, and I'm gonna make sure that you have at least for maximum number of chapters these tricks. Okay, and I'm sure that it will be very helpful in your examination, in your preparation. Okay, so we'll wait for a couple of minutes, then we're gonna start our session. Yeah, they're useful. I even used some last year. Yes, so I'm gonna give more as we go. As I said, every Friday I'll be coming. Excuse me, little bit health is down because of the weather. Yes, super. Yes sir, your integration thing was very helpful, sir. Yes, as I said, every Friday I'll keep coming up with a session like that. Okay, I'm trying my best to deliver it, apart from all the other things that is going on, but still every Friday you'll get a trick session where we're going to discuss with examples what type of question you can solve in different chapters. Okay, again, it will not be available for all the chapters, but even for a very silly trick is there, I'm going to use and show that as well. Okay, sir, how to score 5k? I'm at 0 now, please reply. Yes, I heard, I saw your question. I don't have to write again. Love that you all like that particular session. Okay, sir, how to score under 5k? I'm at 0 now, please reply. So first step for you to be, this is for Mr. Prabhu, your first step would be to get serious in your PU2 prep. PU2 examination is equally, if not equally, actually more important. Okay, because concepts are easier and you can easily score good marks there. So PCM, if you're writing for engineering, has to be 290 plus in PC, 290, 285, 290 plus in PCM. Okay, this is for Prabhu again. I am telling you, this is the answer for you. Yes, we have Brahmastra coming, right? Don't worry, for PU2 we'll have things starting. I think already started from today. You'll have the classes, not live, it'll be recorded. Okay, because live can be only one session, so we are doing this particular thing live, right? So you'll have recorded sessions of PU2, don't worry about that. Yeah, let me get back to the question. So focus on the PU2 right now, Prabhu, and please, for the KCET part, start solving the most important questions. When I say most important chapters, wherever you have the high weightage, no, if you want, you can go ahead and check my session on KCET where I talked about which chapter has how many questions in it. Okay, you can watch those sessions. If you want, I'll make it again as well. Every chapter wise, how many questions are there, high weightage topic you can pick and solve those questions first, at least to get a decent score out of it. Yes, sir, 2 classes at the same time? No sir, I have to check, Sanika. I'm not sure which classes at the same time, but your live is changed to 6 p.m. because of many of you are in school at the point of time at 5:30. Okay, the video is one of the chapter or only questions, sir. So if you're talking about the KCET Sankalp live sessions are only questions, again we're gonna keep a question approach only, no, Why will we keep we don't have time to read everything, like theoretically, or wasting time on that. We'll keep a question approach, but we'll learn all the concepts. Okay, we'll not waste our time. So I think this is clear. Sanika, your question also cleared. Prabhu, question also clear. Ashia, your doubt is also clear. Now we are ready to start our question number 1 of vector algebra. I hope this is okay. I hope my voice is clear because little bit trouble with my throat today. So just bear with me. Okay, let's start. So question number 1. Again, so this is a PYQ from 2014 paper. We'll solve it. Again, one more thing. I think the frame is not right. Let me just give me 1 second. I'll get the frame properly. Yeah, 1 second, guys. Yes. Yeah. So the camera was a little bit tilted. I have changed it now. I think it should be visible. It is better now. Okay, so as you all know, many of you were asking us from very long time that, sir, what books to follow? Is this book good enough? So we were working on it. It took some time to deliver it, but yes, we have delivered. So we have prepared a KCET only book which has just PYQs in it. Okay. So you'll be getting more information about it, but right now, for example, for this particular question, is taken from page number 582 of the book shown over here. It has last 20 years of KCET PYQs with detailed solutions as well. Okay, so you can follow that. You can just follow that. I'm going to take in all my sessions. I'll show you the question wise as well, so that we are solving this many questions from this page number. I will continue like this. If you are interested, if you are looking to buy a PYQ book right now, the QR code is given over here. You can directly buy it. Again, I'm telling you, the last 20 years PYQs are taken over here with detailed solutions as well. Okay, so once you're following this, you don't need to follow any other book. Very much relevant and very much helpful for all of you. We have worked a lot to avoid any mistakes, anything. It's very perfectly designed to help all of you. Okay, we were working on it for a while now, and now once we can release it for all of you, it's available. You can check it out. Okay, so let's solve this particular question over here. Now all of you, please start. If you're joining for the first time, you should know the way the session of mine particularly works. You have to give the answers and then only I'll solve the question. Okay, so that's one thing. Who are regulars, they'll know how it works, but whoever are joining for the first time, yes, you see Alan is giving the answers. Anika, Ashia, your answers also I want. So please give me answers, everyone. Whether it is right or wrong, let me decide that. I'll help you why it went wrong, if it went wrong. Okay, so please give me the answers. So here the answer is option D. The area of parallelogram whose adjacent sides are given. How do you solve it? Area of parallelogram means we have to have an approach of 1/2 A cross B modulus, right? 1/2 A cross B modulus. How do you find A cross B modulus? A cross B, you're gonna find like this, right? You'll have I, J and K. Excuse me. 1, 0 and 1, and over here we have 2, 1 and 1, I guess. Yes, if you solve, we'll have I for what? 0, and this is going to be -1. For minus J, you're gonna have what? Check here, 1 minus 2, again -1, right? 1 minus 2. And for plus K, you'll end up with what? 1 minus 0, so simply 1. So I'm getting here minus I cap plus J cap and plus K cap is the value of A cross B. It means modulus will be very simply, sir, I have made a mistake first of all. This is not 1/2. 1/2 is for the area of triangle actually. If it is given adjacent side of triangle, then you're going to use 1/2. Forgive me, I know some of you must have commented by now, sir, it is not 1/2. I know, all of you know it. Okay, so it is not 1/2. Answer will become what? Modulus of that. So 1 square and 3 times it comes, so √3 is the answer. Option D is correct. Option D is correct. So any of you who has given the answer as option D is actually on point, on target. I knew you will say that, Alan. So yes, yeah, my bad. 1/2 is for the triangle. Okay, so I think every one of you has got it right. So these are the students who answer my questions in every classes, but I do appreciate anyone who wants to try. Please try and answer all the questions, then only you get to know that you are involved, you want to solve particular sum. Okay, so please, whatever is the answer, if you're in the session, make sure that you're solving it at the same time. Okay, so this question is very much clear. Okay, next, this is a question number 25 from the same our textbook that we have designed. 25 from page number 582. Question number 2 is, a and b are two unit vectors inclined at an angle pi by 3. The value of a plus b is what? The value of a plus b is what? And for all of you who have joined for the first time in my live, do subscribe the channel. Okay, we are putting a lot of efforts here. We are doing everything that we can and we should to make you a topper next year, to make you an achiever of KCET and COMEDK next year. Okay, and we are working on it. It motivates us if you are coming and putting the appreciation in your comment, in your likes, in your subscription. So please make sure that you put subscription if you have joined for the first time. If you're watching this video, if you like the session, do like the session, the live as well. Okay, sir. So this question number 2, a and b are two unit vectors inclined at an angle of pi by 3. Value of a plus b. This will be what? This will be what? If you check here, it will become root of a square, right? So 1 square plus 1 square. Pi by 3 means you'll have 2 into 1 into 1 and cos of pi by 3, right? So you'll have here 1 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 by 2, na? So root 3, which is 1.732, which is greater than 1. Option B is right. Option B is correct. Clear? Yes, option B is the right answer. Okay, option B is the right answer. All right. Yes. Question number 3 now. Question number 3 here from our book, page 582, question number. So basically I'm going to give you homeworks also, okay? I understand it might take you some time to get it done, but once you have it, whoever lets me know that you already bought the book, I will let you know which questions solve from where, because this will continue, this live will continue till your exams are over. So I'll keep getting the questions also here, solving it for all of you, and I'll give you homeworks as well, because you can see there are almost 40-45 questions and we are solving here the top 20 questions, okay? So others you can solve as homeworks. Okay, so please check. Question number 3 is this, b is mod of b is 5, the angle between a and b is pi by 6. Then the area of the triangle formed by these two vectors side is what? Okay, vector sides, right? This is a triangle, this value is given as 5, this is this particular altitude, okay? We can use that form also, right? Yeah. 1 by 2 modulus of this will be how much? Modulus of this will be how much? Please check. You'll end up with 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 1 9, so 3 basically. This is 3, okay? And then you'll have sine pi by 6. Sine pi by 6. Why sine pi by 6? Because if this is 3, no? And this is basically your angle, let's say pi by 6, right? Then this is your cos component, this is your sine component. So it becomes 3 sine pi by 6. The vertical component is the sine component, this is the cos component. So right here, 3, this is same, no? 5 into 3 sine pi by 6. So it becomes 15 by 2 into 1 by 2. Answer is 15 by 4. Answer is 15 by 4. So option D is correct. Yes, guys. Option D is correct. So how many of you got it right? Nagaraj, Alan, Asha, you got it wrong. Why? What is the mistake? Shanika also got it right. Ashwarya also got it right. So Ashwarya is your new student who has answered the question. I do appreciate it, bacha. Please keep attempting the questions at the same time. Okay. Fourth one now. Question number 4. Question number 4. Okay. Let A equals to I minus 2j plus 3k. B is what? Given. A dot B is B square. A minus B mod is root 7. I'm looking for mod of B. I'm looking for mod of B. From here, can we solve it? Let's square it up. We'll get here 7. So mod of A square plus mod of B square minus twice of mod of A into mod of B, right? And dot if you take, it will become what? Yeah, it will be dot product only, right? It will be dot product is equals to 7 we have. This is going to be square of A. How much is that? 9 plus 4 is 13 plus 1 is 14. So root of 14 This will become mod of b square minus 2 mod of b square. This is 7 here. Okay, let's move this term over here and this over here. I'll get excuse me, square is there, no? I have a square means we don't have to write root over here. I'll end up with 14 minus 7 equals to b square. It means value of b will be root 7. Value of b will be root 7. Okay, root 7, option D is correct. Root 7, option D is correct. Sir, the answer is previous question. Okay, that is the answer for the previous question. Okay, I got it, Asha. So fourth also you got it right. So basically I know you can see the pattern over here from the chapter vector algebra. The dot product formula, the cross product formula is very, very important. Okay, that has to be known. Even for the resultant of the square of that formula also is equally important. Most of the questions are solved using this approach only. Okay, so please, when you are revising this chapter, give your complete attention to your dot product, cross product, projection of the vectors. Very, very important. Okay, cosine part. I know it is vector 3D, but what happens here is in the final examination they can combine and give you the question. Okay, so you got to know both the concepts. Fifth one. Okay, if the direction cosine of a vector of magnitude 3 are this, they have given DCs, right? They have given DCs. So this concept is from which one? From 3D geometry, as I said. So how to solve it? This is a property 2 by 3 the square plus minus 1 by 3 the square plus a square will be equal to 1. Sir, where we learned this? This is a property of direction cosines. L square, m square, n square, if you add, answer is always 1. Okay, here it is. Check here, this is going to be 4 by 9, 1 by 9, and this is again a square equals to 1. This is going to be 5. Over there, if you take, it will become again 4 by 9. So a will be plus minus 2 by 3. But they have given strictly that I want a to be positive. Okay, so this will imply that a has to be what? 2 by 3. A has to be 2 by 3. If you write it over here, the unit vector, what are you going to get? 2 by 3 I cap minus 1 by 3 j cap and 2 by 3 k cap. This is my unit vector, and the magnitude is given as 3. So multiply 3 over here, cancels, cancel, cancel. 2i minus j plus 2k. Option A is the right choice. Fifth one is option A. I'm a dropper, sir. Welcome, don't worry about it. Once you're here, we'll take care of the things. Any question if you have, you can ask, okay? Shurekha. Sir, how much questions are asked from this chapter? Vector algebra, I'll tell you what, vector and 3D becomes almost 9 marks, combination of the two. Is it clear, Asha? Ashwara Kamath, option A is right. Yes. So I can see many of you are giving the right answers. I'm really happy that you are able to, because these are not some random questions. These are all PYQ. Okay, taken from our book, page number 582, question 28. Okay. So super. 9 marks. Yes, Asha. The paper, the chapter carries 9 marks altogether. Okay. Question number 6 now. 2a dot b is a dot b modulus. So basically a into b modulus. Angle between them they're asking 2 into mod of a mod of b cos theta is the expansion of a dot b, right? So as you can see here, everyone, please pay attention. Most of the questions we are able to solve using dot product. Okay, so please, very important. Even the angle problems will be helped once you know the dot product or cross product. So you cannot skip these. Okay, so if you know dot product properly by the concept side, you'll get most of it correct from this particular chapter. Check here, this is cancelled. You're getting cos theta as 1 by 2. Possible at what value? 60 degrees. So answer is option D. How many of you got it right? How many of you got it right? Yes. Superb. Yes. So all of you have actually got it correct. Alan, Ashya, Ashwarya, Sanika, Nagaraj. Okay. So far I think if I have to check leading, no? Okay, next time onward I'll do this. I'll check the leaders also. Who is getting the most of them right? So far I think everyone has got it correct. But next time onwards, in next live onwards, I'll announce at the last who got most of them or all of them correct. I want to see the competition even in this session. Okay, next one. Question number 7. A and B are unit vectors. Then what is the angle between A and B? I can do it right now also. So far, let's say I assume everybody of you have got it correct, right? So I'll take Alan is here with me. Okay, then I have Ashya, who's answering, Sanika, and then Ashwarya. Okay, and we have Nagaraj. Okay, so we have all of you got, let's say, 6 correct. We'll see how many of you have end up with the correct answers and who is the leader of the session. Okay, let's do it from here only. I want to see the competition. Others can also join in. I hope I've not missed any names. So Alan, Ashya, Sanika, Ashwarya. Okay, others are here. If you want me to take your names, I'll take it. Only if you answer all the questions. See how many of you get it right, okay? Question number 7, A and B are unit vectors. Then what is the angle between A and B for this condition to be unit vector? What's the meaning of unit vector? Modulus is 1. Modulus is 1. Modulus of this is 1. How would you solve it? How would you solve it? Check. You're going to take the square of this. It'll become 3 mod of A is actually unit vector, no? So I can write as 3 over here. Just 3 over here plus 1 over here for the B minus 2 times of root 3 will come, and I'll have only A into B, right? AB cos theta I'll have, right? I'm looking for angle, no? Yes. I'll have 1 into cos theta. Excuse me guys, my mistake. 2 into root 3 into 1 into 1 cos theta equals to 1. Square of this will be, right? Okay, let's do it. So what I get over here, 4 minus 2 root 3, and we get here cos theta equals to 1. On this side if you bring, you get 4 minus 1 equals to 2 root 3 cos theta. Check here, 3 upon 2 root 3. I'm getting cos theta. It means this is cancelling this with root 3. So my value of theta has to be what? Root 3 by 2, right? So value of theta has to be pi by 6, I think. Pi by 6. Yeah. Option A is correct. So now I have the right answers from, again, Sanika, Ashwarya, Sanika, Alan, Ashya, Nagaraj. Everyone, right? So everyone. Alan, Ashwarya, Sanika, Nagaraj, Ashya, yes. All of you got it right, okay? But if I have to take a leader in this part, I have to take that answer is be led by Ashwarya because she got it faster. Her answer is for the first she got the answer. Yes, next one. We'll see that as well. Who's giving the fastest answer and correct ones? 8th question, okay? Suppose A plus B plus C, A is 3, B is 5, C is 7. Then the angle between A and B is what? A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C, the angle between A and B is what? Check here. For A and B, I need to keep the C available from away from here. A plus B like this, and C will go on this side. Take modulus now, or yeah. So if you do that, or take the square. Can I do the square? I can do the square also. So I'll get here A square B square plus twice of AB cos theta equals to C square, right? Value will be 9, 25, 2 into 15, right? 2 into 15 into cos theta square of C, so 49. Okay, this is 34. This is 34. On the side, I'll get what? 2 into 15 into cos theta equals to 49 minus 34. How much is the answer? How much is the answer? 15 here. Okay, so 15 and 15 will cancel. I get 2 into 15 cos theta. 15 and 15 is cancelled. I'm having the answer as cos theta equals to 1 by 2. Theta value is how much? Theta value is how much? Pi by 3. C. It is also covered. Yes. So, so can you make the shortcut videos for every chapter? Yes, Charan. I'm going to make shortcut video for every chapter. Every Friday, I'll come up with that session, okay? Every Friday, Don't worry, only majorly I think 7-8 chapters are there, so that will be done. Okay, yes, check here. See, so how many? First one was Ashya in this case. So far everybody is leading. Ashya, Ashwarya also got it right, Sanika, Alan, Nagaraj. Okay, so basically everyone has scored 8 marks so far. All of you have scored 8 marks so far. So 9th one, let's try. Okay, anybody has doubt other than these 4 people? If you have doubt, you can ask me. Okay, don't wait for them to get the answer right and move on. So whatever silly mistakes you're having, silly doubts you're having, ask me. That's why I'm coming live, otherwise I can record and give it the session to you. Okay, so ask me your concerns. 9th one, A is 3, B is 4, C is 5. Okay, A, B, C are perpendicular to sum of the remaining. Okay, so A is perpendicular to sum of the other 2. So B plus C, it will become, A dot B will be 0. So I get A dot B plus A dot C will be 0, right? Each of them is perpendicular to the other 2. Okay, please check. A dot B and A dot C is equal to 0. Okay, so if you go ahead and write same thing for others also, B dot A plus C, you are actually would end up with twice of A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A will be equal to 0. How can I say that, sir? I wrote for only A dot B plus C. Let's write B dot A plus C, C dot A plus B. When you do that, you'll get A dot B 2 times, A dot C 2 times, and B dot C also 2 times. Thus I've taken 2 common, and the sum RHS is always 0, right? Sum will always be 0. Sir, why not write it? It's examination, for the examination of KCET, you have to skip steps in your mind. That ability will come only if you try, okay, from today itself. Twice of A dot B, B dot C and C dot A is the value which is 0. Now you'll take the whole square for this condition. A plus B plus C the whole square in the vector form actually. When you do that, you'll get A square, B square, C square, and same thing will come. Twice of A dot B, B dot C and C dot A. No problem, this is 0. This is 0 means, check here, square of A is what? 9. Square of B is what? 16. Square of C is what? 25. Sum will be what? 50. Root of 50 is how much? Root of 50 will be 5 root 2, because 25 into 2, 5 will be out. Correct now? 25 into 2, 5 will be out. So 5 root 2 is your answer. Option C is correct. Okay, option C is correct. Alright, now this question has been taken from which one? From question number 32 of the page 582. What is this page number from? From our Deeksha Vedantu, your KCET last 20 years PYQs for PCM. Okay, for PCM, you can simply take the scanner over here on the screen that is given to you and purchase from there. If you are looking for a most updated and the most, I would say errorless PYQ book, we worked really hard to make it happen for all of you. If you want to, if you need it, do check it out, do buy it, you will not regret it. That's my guarantee for KCET. Okay, chaliye. Next one, question number 10th from the page 582, question number 33. Have a look. Somebody not give the answer for this one. I think yes. So Sanika has missed out one question over here. Others got it right. So others are scoring 9 marks so far. Charan also has come back for more and more questions. You have still 11 more questions to pick up. We are having a tally so far, okay? So I hope you know that. We have Ashia, we have Alan, we have Nagaraj, we have Sanika, and we have Charan now as well, and Ashwarya as well. So this is Alan. So far these people have got 9, 9, 9. Sanika got 1 less, so 8. Charan got 1, and Ashya also got 9. Okay, chaliye. So 10th one, I think the answer is already coming now. The value of this, if it is unit vector, we all know unit vector of this will be what? This will be always 1 by root 3 plus minus. Hence it has to be what? Compare with x. Answer is option A. PYQ as well. This itself is a PYQ as well. Okay, 10th option A is the right answer. Okay, If you want, do you want me to solve it? You can do it, right? We'll have what? X square plus x square plus x square. We'll get 3x square in the root. Answer is x root 3. And if you solve it, what are you gonna get? X times of I cap plus j cap plus k cap by x root 3 with a plus minus sign, of course. X cancels. 1 by root 3 is the comparison. Okay. Moving on, 11th one. Okay, if cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are the direction cosines of the vector A, then cos 2 alpha will be what? Again, application of your 3D actually. 2 cos square alpha minus 1 plus 2 cos square beta minus 1 plus 2 cos square gamma minus 1. Check here. Take this combination with itself. 1 plus 1 plus, sorry. Excuse me. My bad. This is simply 1, no? Cos square plus cos square for all the alpha, beta, gamma angle will be 1 minus 3. 2 minus 3 answer is minus 1. So option C is the right choice. 11th one is done, guys. Yeah. 11th one is option C. Okay. So I can see many of you are getting it right. All of you are very good in this particular chapter. That is pretty much evident from here. Your response, superb. Okay. 12th one, your A is given, B is given. Their orthogonal means dot product will be 0 because orthogonal means angle is 90 degree. So A dot B will be 0. Check here. 2 into 1 will be simply 2. Lambda into 2 will be again 2 lambda, and this will be plus 3, right? 3 into 1 is plus 3. So I get 2 lambda equals to minus 5. I get lambda equals to minus 5 by 2. Option C. Option C. Yes. Superb. All right. Solve this question. Then I'll take some water. By that time, you guys are done with this problem. Yeah. 13th one. If A and B are mutually perpendicular unit vectors, then this is what? Expansion we are looking for, right? Please check. Mutually perpendicular means A dot B will be 0. Okay, A dot B will be 0. Now if you do 3A with 5A, you'll get 15 A square. 3A with this, you'll get minus 18 A dot B, right? So simply I can write this as 0. Whenever you have A dot B, just write it as 0 because they have given perpendicular. Now this with B with A, again same thing. B dot A will be also 0. B dot A will also be 0 for orthogonal or perpendicular unit vectors. Okay. Now what else you have? B with B. You'll get minus 12 B square. Unit means it is going to be 1. So 15 into 1 minus 12 into 1. Answer is 3. Option is B. Option is B. Yes. Yeah. Option is B. Ashwarya, Ashya and Alan, your answers are correct. Okay. Nagaraj, also your answer is correct. 14th one. If A is given like this, B is also given. Are orthogonal, A and B are modulus also equal. Find the lambda, comma mu. Lambda, comma mu. Okay, this is mu actually given here. If I write it like this, lambda, comma mu. We are looking for the ordered pair, lambda, comma mu. Okay. So if they are orthogonal means their dot product will be 0, right? Dot product 0 means we'll have I with mu. So mu plus lambda minus 2 will be 0. So I get mu plus lambda as 2. They are also giving that they're equal in the modulus. So I can write this as 1 plus lambda square plus 4 equals to 1 plus, sorry, mu square plus 1 plus 1. Okay, I can take whole square on both sides. No need to write the root actually. I'm using this condition over here. Okay, if you want you can write the root also, not a problem. Check this out. So I'll have here lambda square plus 5 equals to mu square and we get here plus 2. I'm taking the root part out now. Okay, we can solve from here. Check this out. I have mu plus lambda, and I can take on this side 5 minus 2 equals to mu square minus lambda square. So I get mu minus lambda and mu plus lambda as the factors. Mu plus lambda is given as 2 over here, this value is 2 over here. So I'm getting this value 3 equals to mu minus lambda into 2. So I get mu minus lambda as 3 by 2, equation number 2. This is my equation number 1, right? Okay, mu plus lambda equal to simply 2 actually. Add them, this cancelled, I get 2 mu equals to 3 by 2 is 1.5. 1.5 plus 2 will be 3.5, so 7 by 2. So I get mu value as 7 by 4. Mu value is 7 by 4, right? Okay, excuse me. Yes, it should be lambda actually, right? Have I made some mistake? Mu, correct, lambda minus 2. Excuse me. 1 plus lambda square mu n plus 4 mu square plus 1 plus 1. Correct, only 5 minus 2 is 3. Mu minus lambda, mu plus lambda, mu minus lambda will become 3 upon 2. That's also correct. 2 mu is coming as 7 by 2, so 7 by 4. It's coming as option A. Check. I know option C is correct. I know the option C is actually correct, but why is it coming like option A? Mu is coming as 7 by 4. We'll check, we'll cross check. If you put it back, you'll get the value of, check this out, lambda will be what? Lambda will be 2 minus 7 by 4, that is nothing but 8 minus 7 by 4, so 1 by 4. Lambda is 1 by 4, but option C should be the right one, right? Anybody will tell me right now, why is it coming in this way? Why is it coming as option? Okay, actually, sorry, my bad. I saw it is as 1 by 4, guys. My bad. Okay, I thought it is 1 by 4. That's why I went. I was asking this, but it is not, right? So we have only one option, which is option B, not C. Option B. So many of you have, and actually all of you have got it wrong. All of you have got it wrong. Okay. Not many, all of you have got it wrong. Please check. If you add them, it'll become what? Yeah, 7 by 2 only. Yes. So all of you have got it wrong. 14th answer is not C. It is B. I thought it is 1 by 4. That's why I was confused. Why it is coming just opposite? So answer is 7 by 4 and 1 by 4. Okay. Question number 15 now. Yes. Question number 15. A is 16, B is 4. Then what is this? This here is a property. I hope you know that. This is equal to what? B square. Okay. But there's a root, means you have to write a root over here. There's a root over here. So you're going to get what? Simply mod of A into mod of B. So 16 into 4. Answer is option D. Yeah, you're right, Ashwarya. Option D is the right answer for the next one. Yes, I hope you all know the property. In the last 10 years, 4 or 5 times they have asked this property. Okay, so it's very, very relevant. All right, so let's move on then. Next. 16th, in the angle, if the angle between A and B is 2 pi by 3 and the projection of A in the direction of B, okay, projection of A, right? So I have to get this as A dot B by mod B. So it will become A mod B mod cos 2 pi by 3 upon mod B. Cancels. This is given as minus 2. So right here, minus 2, minus 2. Okay. Now check this out. 2 pi by 3 is coming in which quadrant? In the second quadrant. This is your angle, 2 pi by 3. Second quadrant. Second quadrant, cos is negative. Okay, so you'll have over here mod of A, and this will be coming as 1 by 2 only. Yeah, and you'll have minus 2. It means minus 1 by 2. So A will be what? Plus 4. A will be what? Plus 4. Option A is correct. Check this out, guys. 16th one, option A is correct. Yes. Sixteenth option A is correct. Yes, Ashwarya, good job. Okay. Yes, this is your question number 39 from the page number 583 of the book, Karnataka KCET book, that is released by Deeksha Vedantu. Just simply scan on this QR code, you'll get to have the access to the portal where you can purchase the book, the last 20 years PYQ of KCET. Okay, next 40, page 53, again question 40 from page 583. Let's solve this one. What do we have? We are about to close in our session today. Last 4 questions left. Let's solve it. Let us solve these 4 questions, guys. Come on. Yes. A unit vector perpendicular to the plane containing these two. Let's say this is the plane A over here, like this, and this is vector B. So if I talk about this plane which is containing these two, I am looking for a perpendicular vector to both of these. I have to go A cross B, no? Either out or in. If this is the plane which contains the vector A cross B, A and B, this is the vector B, right? And this is the vector A. So if I have to go A cross B, either I'll go anti-clockwise or I'll go clockwise. So the both cases will be coming out of the plane or inside the plane, 90 degree, right? So in both the cases I have to find A cross B only. Let's find A cross B. So A cross B, if I am finding, let's call this to be vector C, okay? This vector is A cross B. How do you find it? I, J and K, the values which is given here as 1, 2 and 1. This is minus 2, 1 and 3. Solve it, please. You will have the vector C, which is the basic form of the vector, the result of the vector A cross B. You will get I as 3 into 2 is 6 minus 1, which is 5, correct? 6 minus 1. Now next will be minus J. We're going to remove these two. 3 minus of minus 2, so 5 again. 3 into 1 is 3 and minus 2 of minus sign will become 5 again. And plus K, check. Plus K will be what? 1 plus 4, again 5. Again 5. So I'm getting this as vector C. What are they asking? They're asking us unit vector in this direction sense. So we're looking for C cap actually. So vector C upon mod of C. So take 5 common, you'll get I minus J plus K and mod of C. 25 plus 25 plus 25. Correct, no? Take 25 common, you'll have 5 times of I minus J plus K. 25 you take it out, it will become 5, and 1 plus 1 plus 1 will be 3. 5 cancel. I minus J plus K. I minus J plus K is here. Option B is the right choice. Sir, you add a poll of answers. Okay. But it is difficult to get a poll for every answer, no, and you'll not get a cumulative result in the YouTube. That's why you'll get for every question. Okay, but if the numbers are more, if or many of you are joining, I certainly take that into account. Okay, please check once, guys. Everyone, check. Do check these steps. All says clear. Question number 18 now, which is question number 41 from the page 583. Okay. Yes. Let's solve it. If A and B are unit vectors and theta is the angle between them, okay, then find the value of sin theta by 2. Let me tell you, if you know this property A plus B, A minus B, you all know that using it will give me only cos theta. Okay, and from cos, if I want to get sine, I have to use only one formula which is there, 1 minus cos theta equals to 2 sine square theta by 2. Correct? This is the only formula that we have. It means I cannot take plus A plus B. Okay, means I cannot take A plus B. this is already gone. Let's try the most difficult one, which is a minus b. Let's try this. Let's find this a minus b now. So what I'm going to get, if I square it up, I'll get this as square of a plus square of b, right? Then you'll have what? Minus 2 a b dot into cos theta. Into cos theta. They're all unit vectors. It means square of a is 1. So 1 plus 1 minus 2 into 1 into 1, and we have cos theta as it is. Take 2 common, I get 1 minus cos theta. 2 common, 1 minus cos theta I'm getting. 1 second. Yes. 2 common, 1 minus cos theta I'm getting. Okay, so if you do that, I'll get 2 times of 2 sine square theta by 2. Okay, now I have what? A minus b modulus square over here. Let's bring the constant 4 on this side. So I'll get what? A minus b modulus square upon 4 equals to sine square theta by 2. I'm looking for just the value of the angle, not the square. So I'll get what? Root of this. Simply I'll have a minus b modulus by root of 4 will be 2. This will become sine of theta by 2. I'll take a square root on both sides. No, it will become sine theta by 2, and this answer is option B. Question number 41 from your page 583. Please send math paper PU 225 model paper. Okay, we'll upload it. Okay, I hope you are able to find. No, they have given on the official website. I don't think, I think the model paper has not been released yet for mathematics. They have given list of papers, but they are still uploading it, right? I'll check once. Last time I checked on Friday, it was not there. Maybe they have released in the weekend. I'll check. Okay, last 2 questions. 19th one. Okay. The 2 vectors I plus j plus k and I plus 3j plus 5k represents the 2 sides of a triangle, length of a median. Length of median is very simple. Let's call the median to be AD. It will be given by AB plus BC by 2. Find AB plus BC. What are you going to get? You're going to get 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2i cap. 1 plus 3 is 4j cap and 6k cap. Am I right? By 2 means I'll have here I cap, 2j cap and 3k cap. This is the vector AD. I'm looking for length means modulus. Take the modulus. 1 plus 4 plus 9. So root 14, right? That's your answer. Option C. So why not by 2? No, we have already taken this 2 value and removed the coefficients 2 from each and every component x, y, z. Yeah. So answer is not D, it's option C. Answer is C. Yes. Question number 20 now. If A cross B is, this is the same property, no? A cross B the square, A dot B the square, then this has to be what? This has to be, remember, mod of A square plus mod of B square. This is going to be what? Should be equal to 144. This is nothing but 36. So mod of B square is 144 minus 36. This is 8. And this is again 0. And I get here 1, right? 108. Excuse me, something is wrong. Mod of A square plus mod of B, so 36, right? Okay. 3. Okay, sorry, not this. No, correct only. 14 minus, this is 8. 3 minus 3 is 0. 108. But modulus, what is wrong here? A square plus this is going to be 144. Square of, something is wrong in the question, guys. Can anyone tell me anything is wrong in the problem? So question number 20th. Is the answer B coming? 144. Okay, so it will be product. My bad. It should be product. It's calculation mistake actually. It should be product, no? Yes. Thank you. I just recalled right now. This will be product actually. So we'll have to divide by 36. So I'll get the answer as 4 only. So I'll get this value as 2. Correct. Excuse me. I took it as square. I took it as addition. So answer is B. Yes. So many of you have performed really well. I would say Alan has got most of them correct, but second and third will be Nagaraj and Ashwarya. You all have given the right answers. Even Ashya has given most of them correct. Yes, product. The reason is product here. It should be product because square, the sum is on the left hand side over here. Okay. So do love the participation. In the next classes, I hope all of you are able to join. So more and do answers. Sir, I don't get a question. I don't get a question. SR Criminal Gaming, let me know your problem. Okay. Hi, you're saying. Okay, hi. I got it. Hi now. Good evening. You are late. Guys, I think 6 p.m. is okay, right? For everyone to come and join the sessions, right? It's not that early as well. So do join in the sessions, and I'm telling you, this 20 questions might look a little small right now, but with this 20 questions, so we cover up every single concept which is there in the chapter. Okay, and not only that, every day we are coming with a subject and doing a question interaction with you guys. If you do it over a period of time, it will add value to your preparation. So don't ignore it. Okay. Yes. So yeah, 6 p.m. is good enough. We'll see if we can add more questions, but right now we are going with top 20. We'll get back to you on the more number of problems. But yeah, I think 20 questions also is fair enough for all of you to come here quickly, get your one concept clear, revision clear, and then move on with your other preparations, right? If I make it a 3-hour session over here itself, you're gonna end up wasting your entire evening, right, with me. So you should have time for other things at the same time, right? You might be planning to study something else right now, so you can go for that. Yes, game over for this particular question. Yeah, so do come in and do join in for the sessions. I'm going to make sure that you get value added in each and every session that I'm coming here with. And if you're new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Illi. So 5 minutes. You're welcome, Ashwarya. Yes, sir, both series. Yes. It will be 1, 2. So basically what we're going to do now in the Brahmas series, we are planning our sessions in a way that based upon the requirement. Now we have the blueprint, right? The latest blueprint is out now by your KCET. Now based upon the blueprint, we'll take the questions. If they're asking 2 marker from there, we'll take more 2 marker, 3 marker, and so on. Okay, so as we said, we'll take care of everything. Once you prepare with us, once you are consistent in the classes, solve all the problems. Make me a promise, you'll all solve all the problems. Whether it is hard or silly, you have to solve all of them. Okay, silly questions, even if you solve it, keep solving it, you'll not make silly mistakes. Hard questions, be brave, face it, will help you make it easier. So questions is hard or silly, please attempt both of these. We'll get good marks in boards, don't worry. Okay, sir, please explain integrals chapter. Okay, done. Pakka. I'll do that. It is going to be part of your Brahmastra series as well. I have taken PYQs integral session, right? Sir, please reply, please. Okay. Nagaraj, which is the reply? What is it? Yes, sir. Which question you're asking, Nagaraj? I missed your problem. Please let me know. Please keep guiding us till the end, sir. Yes. We are all here at Deeksha, Karnataka. We are here to help you in every way possible. Okay? Don't worry. Be calm. Take care of yourself, eat, of course, eat right, keep yourself healthy, and rest all you can, leave it to us, okay? Your boards, your preparation for CET, everything will be taken care of from our side, okay? Next lesson which, sir? Tell me. I think 3D geometry we can plan next, right? We'll finish them together, vector and 3D together, okay? For any of you who wants to have, and somebody was asking about integration, right? So integrals, I have done Sankalp. Okay, Sankalp, the previous one, part 1 Sankalp was there. In that I've done integrals in detail as well. I've done a concept lecture also, so go ahead and watch it. Now one more thing, I'm gonna complete 3D first. Vectors is done, no? Alan, I've done the vectors. We'll move on and complete this whole unit. This carries 9 marks. Vector plus 3D KCET will be having a 9 marks weightage. Okay, 9 questions from vectors plus 3D. Very important, and you have seen how easy it is. What is the price of KCET book? Don't worry about anything, just scan this QR, okay, and we'll provide the link in the description also. You can go ahead and check it out. Okay, I think there's a discount going on right now. I have to check with the team, but we'll let you know. Okay, if you want to purchase, just leave a comment. We'll upload the link as well as your if there is a discount, we'll let you know about that at the same time. Okay, but the QR will be good enough to check all of this. We have a portal, you can go and check it out. Last 20 years, I'm teaching you only last 10 years. Okay, but this is last 20 years PYQs. For somebody who wants to practice more, that is good enough. Always prefer PYQs over other questions. Other questions you should always solve, but after the PYQs. Nagaraj, your question, 3D. Yeah, 3D I'm gonna get next chapter. 3D is next chapter. That's done. 3D is the next chapter, then we'll move on to matrices and all those things. Okay. What next? What are the questions? So I think that's it. No new questions. Anything else you want to ask me? Actually, this is hardest for me because I have good analysis but poor attention span and memory. Then I told you, no, Alan, only 5-6 formulas are there, bacha. One formula is that A dot B. One is this particular problem. A cross B, how to find the cross product. Okay, what else I used in the session today? Tell me. Nothing else, right? I have solved 20 questions using the help of these concepts only. Okay, so just understand the basics of these questions now. These concepts, sorry. This basics of this concept: dot product, cross product, projection of a vector on another vector. 3 concepts so far. Fourth one is this particular property on the screen. Fourth property, projection. This is done. Modulus, how to find modulus. 5 properties. Modulus, dot product, cross product. Then this particular property, and last one was projection of a vector on another vector. That's it. What else is there? Whenever you think that something is big, or troubling you, break it down in simple expectation of that particular problem. Break the problem into simple parts. What exactly it is. 5 formula, that is enough. You can do it, Alan. Others also applies to every one of you. Break your big problems in small chunks. You can easily deal with it. If you still have a doubt, you can ask me. I'll help you with that. You're welcome, Blossom. Any one of you who wants to buy a very good KCET PYQ book from last 20 years research we have done and picked very important questions. All the questions actually, here is your QR. Scan it, check it out. Okay, check it out. Bye, Alan. Bye. Anything else? Any other generic question you are having? Any other preparation doubt? Any other self-doubt? Anything that is going wrong or negative? Give it to me. I'll give you the positivity back. Negative thoughts you have, give it to me. I'll give you the positive feedback back to you. Okay, I don't think there is anything new. Sir, I purchased 16 years KCET book, PYQ book. If you already purchased, good enough. But if you want to purchase any other different book, I do recommend this one. Because every time you guys keep asking me, sir, is this book enough? Is this book enough? Yes, books are good. But another book, a very good book, we have also worked really hard to get it done. And here it is. Okay. If any friends of yours wants to purchase a PYQ book right now, do recommend it. It's a very decent book. If you purchase it, then what can I say about it, of course, right? Good. Bye, Ashwarya. You're welcome. Okay. So any concerns you're having, any difficulty you're facing in the preparation, everything is going good, right? PU2 boards will also be helping you with. Okay. Do take care of your PU2 boards, okay? And the marking scheme, keep checking how is the answers to be written, everything. Very important. Bye, Asha. Okay, so I think there's no new questions. I'll meet you in the next live, which is on Wednesday, with the chapter 3D geometry. Okay? Superb. Alright, guys. Then take care. See you again very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.